If math has ever made you feel stupid, I have good news for you. It's probably not because you're bad at math. It's because you've been learning it the wrong way. Most students are taught to memorize formulas. They try to remember steps. They study the night before tests. But the moment they forget the formula, everything collapses. And that's why many students start believing they are bad at math. But the real problem is the method. Here's the truth. Math is not really about numbers. It's about patterns. Once you start seeing patterns, math becomes much easier. For example, 3 plus 5 equals 8. 5 plus 3 also equals 8. The numbers change, but the pattern stays the same. And this is how strong math students think. Tip number 1. Stop memorizing formulas without understanding them. Instead, ask yourself one simple question. Why does this work? When you understand the idea behind a formula, you no longer need to force yourself to remember it. Your brain remembers it naturally. Tip number 2. Practice a little every day. Most students try to study math right before exams. But math works more like a muscle. You get stronger by practicing regularly. Even 15 minutes a day can improve your math skills far more than hours of cramming. Tip number 3. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are actually one of the best teachers in math. When you get a problem wrong, your brain learns exactly where the misunderstanding is. And the next time you try again, you understand the concept much better. Here's a powerful trick that top students use. Explain the solution out loud. If you can explain a problem clearly, it means you truly understand it. But if you can't explain it yet, you probably still need to learn it. Teaching is one of the fastest ways to learn. The students who become good at math are not always the smartest. They're simply the ones who stay curious. They keep practicing. They learn from mistakes. And slowly, they get better. The truth is, you don't need to be a genius to be good at math. You only need the right approach. Learning mathematics does not happen in a single moment. It happens step by step, one idea at a time, one problem at a time, and each small step builds the next. Many students approach math with fear. They see a difficult problem and immediately think, I can't solve this. But strong students think differently. They ask, what is this problem trying to show me? Every math problem, no matter how complicated it looks, can be broken into smaller parts. First, understand the question. Then identify what information you already know. Then work step by step toward the solution. That simple process is how real problem-solving works. Mathematics rewards patience. At first, a concept may feel confusing, but when you give your mind time to explore it, the idea slowly becomes clearer. And once it becomes clear, you will never forget it. Improvement in math rarely feels dramatic. If you're a student struggling with math, or a parent trying to help your child, write in the comments, what math topic feels the hardest for you? In the next video, I'll break it down step by step. And if you want to understand math more easily, subscribe to the channel. New simple explanations are coming every week.